But I'm going to bring Rajiv in here. You can answer in the form of a song as well if you wish. But the big one, I mean, is, you know, there's a very emphatic statement by Atul. Is cricket all the way because the other sports aren't well managed in this country? And you made a mention that if corporates are not going to come in, it's the government which has to set the platform. If that's the case, why don't we really accept it? That, you know, there is no future. That end of day, there may be some, you know, my daughter loves Man U, and that's a very urban niche audience. But end of day, it's going to be a cricket world. Do you really believe that? Do you think the only brands that we'll ever see as personalities will be a Tendulkar and Dhoni now, and maybe a Kohli later? Is that a reality? Should we give it up, or?
Well, we definitely shouldn't give it up.
Yeah.
I think hockey, we all grew up, you know, looking up to the hockey guys, right, and all the good things they've done for Indian hockey. Right. But then cricket came and just swept everything away, and today the big, you know, brands are the cricket players.
Right.
But I think there's scope in hockey. I think there's scope in football. No. Though I don't know about change the game, whether Pepsi is going to be able to change the entire game in the country. Right. I think that's more an attitudinal statement of the brand. I don't know whether literally they're going to be able to.
No, so
change.
Rajiv, let me ask you a devil's advocate question. I mean, and Mohita, this is to you as well, because I'm sure people in Percept would like to know, why are corporates, I mean, it's basic economics, that today cricket is a highly expensive property. You're buying it with a highly diffused attention of the viewer. Why don't you pick up a property which has a future, which is cheap, and you have a right, you can develop leagues, you can, you know, try and, you know, create interest. Basically, you're creating a property. I mean, Apple created a product and the consumers didn't ask for it. You created a product and people bought the iPhone, etc. Or they created a different kind of customer expectation. Why don't corporates do that? Is it not a fact that corporate India is lazy?
Well, I think it probably won't show in the next quarter's results.
Well, I think this quarter's results tell you they are.